I'm Chef Jim, and today we're going to do an apple bird, which is a little bit difficult to cut, but a beautiful, beautiful centerpiece when it's done. You're going to need a paring knife, chef's knife, a cutting board, and an apple. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut a small portion off, maybe a quarter of the apple we're going to cut off. Okay? With that quarter, okay, don't eat it. That's what I want you to do. Cut here. So you can get a center cut out of it. From that, we're going to make the neck of the bird. So what we're going to do is cut a V upward, that, and follow the contour of the apple. You're going to cut around, and you need a little bit of meat later on for a skewer you're going to be using. Okay, so I'm cutting down. There's the head of the bird. Later on, we'll give it a little V shape right here, and we'll probably use a skewer to put it in place. All right, so there's the head of the bird. That was pretty easy. Okay. Now we have our apple, and pretty much what you're going to do is V cuts, and you're going to keep going out. So here we go. Small V on the top. This way, and then we're going to cut this way. First one, so see how small it is? It's not that big. Now you're going to come over just a little bit, about 1/8 of an inch, and cut another same angle back. Now, here's what's important. When you go in, cut straight. Do not twist the knife, okay? You're going to make straight cuts. So I'm doing it again, an angle, cut at an angle here. Now, if you should accidentally cut too deep, these will all glue together with the pectin of the apple, and they'll stay together. That's not going to be a problem. Okay, I'm going to cut one more. Straight in this way. Okay, and I think I'll do one more. I'll do 5 on the top and 4 on the sides. Okay, and we can put all these together. Now, what you've done there, you're going to do again on this side and this side. Okay? So here we go. I'm going to cut a little small V here. Back. And my first cut's very small. One more. Okay, what we're going to do is slide that out, put that one in, put that one in, use that side. We're going to do the same thing here. You can do 5 on the side if you want to do rather than 4. Just for demonstration purposes, I'm only doing 4, but you could do 5, and it would still work very nicely and look very, very beautiful. Okay, and we get this going in this way. Okay. What I like to do is cut the head maybe at a little bit of an angle this way. That's my preference. Still got it all coming down. Okay, this should line up here. Okay, what I'm going to do is put this in here. You see how it's important to keep that fat when we're cutting it? Slide that in.